Hey y'all, I'm Jill with HGTV Handmade, and happy hack day! This year we're changing it up and we're trying a few new things, and one of the ways we wanted to do that was bring you some different videos on things you can do with things you already have around the house. First one I'm going to start with is 10 ways you can use your clear nail polish. And instead of just using it on your fingertips, I'm going to tell you 10 other hacks that you can do with your bottle of clear nail polish. Number 6 is my favorite. Stick around and see what that is. Here we go. Alright guys, I have a 3-year-old Tare who runs around like a hot mess. She always runs and steps on her shoelaces and the little plastic tabs fall off. One of the solutions I found is brushing it in with clear nail polish, rolling my fingers between it and letting it dry. They're good as new. She's cleared for takeoff. So I made these really cute garden markers, but I noticed after the very first rain, all my words washed away. So I realized that I could waterproof them by putting on a top coat of clear nail polish and keep them looking great all summer long. Got a screw loose? I always wear my glasses on top of my head, and over time it loosens the screws. I found a way to prevent this is to put a dab of clear nail polish on top of each of the screws to prevent this from happening. Another cool hack is to brush it on the threads of a screw to hold it in place for furniture and walls. So I really hate when my shaving cream cans leave rust rings in the bottom of my subway tile shower. So one way to stop that from happening is to brush the bottoms of metal cans with a coat of clear nail polish. Just make sure you let it dry before you set them right side up, or your cans might get stuck. This doubles as an awesome April Fool's joke. Let it dry upside down. So when I was researching all of these tips, my very favorite one was how to waterproof a match. And I didn't really know if it would work, but these are just plain kitchen matches. Brush with a couple coats of clear nail polish and let it dry. And wait till you see what happens. So I have super expensive taste in jewelry, and I buy my rings at big box stores, and sometimes they turn my fingers green. So if you brush the insides of your costume jewelry with a thin layer of clear nail polish, you can prevent that ugly green finger. Recently, I've gotten super into making my own DIY home cleaners and eco-friendly cleaning supplies, and my labels were kind of falling off my bottle and smearing. So I realized if you brush a coat of clear polish across the label, it will stop the words from smearing, and bonus, it'll keep your label stuck on the bottle. It's pretty cool. I think it works because it seals the label and bonds it onto the bottle and doesn't let water get underneath that label. If you found that you may have gained a few pounds recently and your buttons start to come loose, an easy fix instead of re-sewing the button is to brush a coat of polish across the threads, and it stops the unraveling. Now go hit the treadmill. Okay guys, between me, you, and the fence post, I may work on a crafting show, but I can't sew worth a darn. I especially have trouble even getting started because I can't thread a needle through that little hole. Oh, it makes me so mad. So I read if you dip the end of your thread in nail polish and let it dry, it's supposed to be super easy to thread through the eye of that needle. Bingo! So it really actually does work. Now if it can help me sew better, I'll be in better shape, but that hack works. All right, thanks for watching. That's our roundup. Comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite hack. I loved the waterproof matches. I had no idea that that was even a thing, and it worked. I could not believe that it worked. Also, let me know if I missed any hacks. I'm sure there's a million that we didn't cover, but those were just 10 of my favorite. Give me a like, subscribe, and watch the next round. See you later.